NVIDIA is on the roll. They have just released this audio Flamingo model, which I'm going to locally install in this video. But before that, let me show you how it works. So I'm going to upload an audio here and then I will give it a text prompt. Let me first play the audio. And the prompt is, what is surprising about the relationship between the barking and the music? Let me click on generate answer. And the model has come back very quickly that there is no clear relationship between the barking and the music because they are totally unrelated sounds. So that is the intelligence of this model. Let me tell you a bit more around what exactly is this model, because I think this is going to be a big deal as it is breaking or stretching some of the boundaries. Audio Flamingo is a fully open large audio language model built to understand and reason about real world audio, which means speech, sounds, and music, over both short clips and long recordings up to 10 minutes. This model supports skills like temporal reasoning, counting, attribute and topic identification, even needle in a haystack, search inside long audio. It also offers concise chain of thought when asked to think. AF3 or Audio Flamingo 3 also comes in chat variant that can hold multi-turn multi-audio conversation and can even talk about via voice-to-voice interaction. They also have released a dataset which is Audio Skills Excel, and you can find the link in video's description. So now let's get it installed and then we will also play around with it. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card NVIDIA H100 with 80 GB of VRAM. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Master Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Okay, next up, let me activate my virtual environment. You can use whatever virtual environment you want or even not. And then I'm going to git clone the repo of Audio Flamingo. That is done. And now install all the requirements. And this is going to take a bit of a time. While the requirements get installed, let's talk a bit more around the architecture of the model. Architecturally, Audio Flamingo uses an audio to LLM stack. So what happens is that an AF whisper encoder first turns your raw waveform into high-level audio embeddings, and then an audio adapter projects those embeddings into the token space the large language model understands, which primarily lets the LLM perform language reasoning over the audio features. Training proceeds in stages, like there is always a pre-training, then encoder tuning, full fine-tuning, and then you can see context extension plus thinking. And finally, there is chat voice training. So the system learns both recognition and reasoning. At inference time, the loop is interactive. So audio, AF whisper, adapter, LLM. That's it. And then it gives you the text or even streaming text to speech for spoken replies. This modular design keeps the audio understanding strong while using an LLM's reasoning and dialogue skills. So very modular and very easy to understand. And everything is now installed. Let me launch my Gradio demo from the root of the repo. And the first time when you run this, it downloads the model. So let's wait. And the model is downloaded. Let me show you the VRAM consumption as the model is fully loaded onto the GPU. So it is just using touch over 36 gig of VRAM. So make sure that you have that much VRAM in order to run this model. Next up, let's try to identify the tone in the audio with the thinking switch on. So I have just gone to the think long tab and this is the audio. Let me play it for you.
Ooh la la. Like the video, subscribe to Fahad's channel, and become a member, as that helps a lot.
all AI generated, by the way. And then you need to add this line so that the model would trigger its thinking to that please think and reason about the input audio. And then this is my actual prompt, that how would you describe the tone in audio. And it says the audio features a distinct vocalization that sounds like a playful or exaggerated expression of surprise or excitement, delivered with a tone that is not entirely serious or tone. I don't think so this is correct. So, but other than that, this one is good, the serious or genuine. That so interestingly enough, the model has identified the subtle tone but not the visible one. This vocalization combined with overall delivery suggests a tone that is likely sarcastic or mocking rather than genuinely surprised or excited. So this is, I hope that you understood what I'm trying to say here, that the underlying subtle tone, which is not of course serious, that thing and that part model has grasped, but not the actual sort of sensual sort of tone. It really totally missed it. But anyway, I mean, some people would say that there is an element of surprise because the way she's talking, but I will let you be the judge. Okay, let's try out one more. Another thing which we can do, as I mentioned earlier, is to transcribe any input speech in the input audio. So let me first run this and play the audio.
Happiness is a fleeting feeling that can be found in life's simplest moments. A warm conversation with a loved one, a beautiful sunset, or a good cup of coffee can instantly lift our mood. It's a state of mind that can be cultivated through gratitude, mindfulness, and self-care. By focusing on the present and letting go of worries, we can unlock a more joyful and fulfilling life.
Pretty good, right? Let me try out a multilingual. Maybe we'll go with an Arabic one. Now this is Arabic. It has given me the response in English, but let me play the Arabic. If you're an Arabic speaker, let me know if it is correct that it translates into this.
في الصحراء الواسعة وجدنا واحة جميلة مليئة بأشجار التمر والنخيل حيث يمكننا الراحة تحت ظلالها الباردة.
You know what, just visually speaking, Google Translate tells me that it's not far off, but please let me know if you're an Arabic speaker. Next up, I have done an Urdu one. Let me play it.
शाम के वक्त चाय की प्याली लेकर छत पर बैठे और दूर से आने वाली कव्वाली की आवाज सुनते रहे.
The script is Hindi here, so I can't read it. If you're a Hindi speaker, let me know. But let me try out one Hindi one. So I have given it a Hindi one, but I don't think so it has done anything good.
बाजार में गरम गरम समोसे और चाय की खुशबू से भरा माहौल था, जहां रंग बिरंगी साड़ियों में औरतें.
So you see, I think for English and maybe few other European languages it does good. Let's try out one more European language before I let it go, because I think Arabic was good, but I want to try one European language. So I have gone with the German one. If you're a German speaker, please let me know in the comments. Let me play it.
Glück ist ein flüchtiges Gefühl, das in den einfachsten Momenten des Lebens zu finden ist. Ein warmes Gespräch mit einem geliebten Menschen, ein wunderschöner Sonnenuntergang oder eine gute Tasse Kaffee können unsere Stimmung sofort heben. Es ist ein Geisteszustand, der durch Dankbarkeit.
So that's it. Let me know what do you think about this, because I think this is really going to tell us if it is multilingual or not, with the help of your support, of course. But I think other than that, NVIDIA has done wonderfully well. I have been covering NVIDIA's model, all of them, each and every one of them, and you can search them on the channel. Let me know what you think about it. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.